Hey, what's up guys? Cube Aviation here, also known as Diamond for Dwarf. Videos of you that are coming from my channel, my old channel actually. I made this channel like to have videos that were just purely about airports and Minecraft and aviation. And yeah, so without further ado, I give you the Boeing 777. Boeing 777 is a wide-body twin jet international plane, medium to long range. Huge seating capacity, very wide. Couple of liveries of it. The United one is still a work in progress, but it's coming along quite well. This plane overall took me about 7 hours to build, not including 2 hours of blueprints that I made. And fun fact, this is the first plane that I've ever built with blueprints. So, I think I'm gonna head on inside the plane now to show you guys the interior. 1 second, guys. Insanely laggy, as it normally is. No clue why. It's like if I click to the title screen, it'll get really laggy the next time I'll install it. We're gonna have to just do this real quick. I'm gonna pause until it's go back. And we are back. We are entering the world, and we are boarding the plane now. So when you first get in, come to a large galley. We've got chest of furnaces, 2 lavatories, one over there, one here, first class. You got 2 food closets. You got chest, now you got the cockpit. It's a engineer seat and a jump seat. You got pilots and co-pilot seats, and we got some buttons and levers in here. Oh, we got a door lever. Next up, we have the first class area, which for some reason I was supposed to be painted right there, but I guess MCN did not copy them. Yeah, they're pretty nice. You got the overhead compartments, and don't ask what that is. Walk in here, you got the second galley, you got a little more lavatories, 2 lavatories to be exact, one over there. Jump seats, some more, yeah, the galley area. 1 second, I gotta turn my thing down. See, my computer is slow for some reason. Whenever I'm recording, it's always so stinking slow. Look at this. Maybe I should put X. Okay, there we go. Now we have the business class. Recently, you just got some nice seats with a table in between the two. And then you got more lavatories from there. On the other side, you got another one there and there. We got economy. Overhead compartments got exits. I'm sorry for the terrible frame rate, guys. It's just about my computer. Just imagine the phone is very lags up to do it. We got 4 lavatories, 2 there, and then a crew closet in the middle. And that's pretty much the plane. So a little bit right there. Now we're gonna talk about I don't know if I mentioned this. It took me about 7 hours to build the plane, not including blueprints. First plane I ever built using blueprints. Turned out really nicely. But the logo is right there. For Emirates, you got the tail. You got the 6-wheel landing gear, the engines. And yeah, that's pretty much all. So, thanks for watching. Remember to rate, comment, subscribe. Check out my old channel, Diamond for Dwarf. Diamond, number 4, Dwarf. And if you're coming from that channel, good, you're on the same place. This is where most of my all my airport videos are going to be uploaded. Thanks for watching. See you later. Goodbye.